Hello everyone. The recipe that I'm sharing with you today is chicken kurma, made South Indian style in coconut oil and with coconut. For this, I have 600 grams of skinned and bone-in chicken pieces. The kurma is part of Mughlai cuisine introduced to India by the Mughals when they invaded India in the 16th century. I'm making two pastes for the kurma. One is with onions, green chilies and ginger garlic paste. For this, I have two medium-sized onions that I'm chopping up. As a Mughlai preparation, the Mughlai kurma, spelled K-O-R-M-A, has Persian influences. The kurma is traditionally made with butter, cream, yogurt, cashew nuts and almonds. These ingredients make the kurma rich and indulgent, typical of Mughlai cuisine. Let's put these onions aside for now. 5 green bird's eye chilies for the grinder. Let's cut them up and get them ready. I'll be roasting these with the onions, ginger and garlic to make a paste. And now for the second paste. I have 12 almonds for the grinder, together with a handful of coriander stems. Let's keep these aside for now. I'm also adding 2 potatoes to the kurma, but they are optional. Let's cut the potatoes up. You heard me say earlier what ingredients are used to make the kurma. As for the kurma, it is usually made with coconut, cashew nuts or almonds. These ingredients make the South Indian kurma a lighter version of its northern counterpart. This is the almond and coriander paste. Let's go to the stove now. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan on low heat. Then add the onion and green chilies and saute. Increase the flame to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute the ingredients together. It's been 2 minutes and the onions are now translucent. Therefore, turn off the stove, remove the ingredients and allow them to cool. I'll grind these ingredients into a paste when they have cooled. Place the chicken pieces in the pan. Then add the onion, green chili and ginger garlic paste. Turn the stove on at medium heat. Stir the ingredients to combine. Unlike other Indian curries that are usually made with red chilies, the kurma is made with green chilies. The green chilies give the kurma a milder taste and a brownish hue. Once the chicken and the paste are well combined, add 4 tablespoons of Store Bought Kurma Powder. I am using Baba's. Also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then stir to combine the ingredients. The flame is still at a medium heat. Let's dry roast this for a couple of minutes. Then add 200 ml of water. Don't add too much water because the chicken will release liquid as it cooks. If you're adding potatoes, do so now. Together with salt to taste. Stir to mix the ingredients together. Then cover and cook on a high flame until the gravy comes to a boil. Reduce the flame to medium when the gravy comes to a boil. Then cover and cook until the potatoes are done. Check to see if the potatoes are done. If they are, add the almond paste. Stir to bring all the ingredients together. Then cover and cook until the raw smell of the almond paste disappears. It's been 4 minutes and the raw smell of the almond paste has disappeared. I'm now adding half a teaspoon of garam masala and 3/4 cup of coconut milk. I'm using a 250 ml measuring cup. I've just rinsed out the measuring cup. This kurma can also be made with ground coconut. Once you add the coconut milk, you have to turn off the stove as soon as the coconut milk comes to a boil. Then add 1 handful of coriander leaves and let the curry rest before serving. I've just turned off the stove. We'll leave the curry to rest now. Chicken Kurma, the South Indian version of the Mughlai Kurma. Made with store-bought kurma powder, this kurma is easy to prepare and delicious. Enjoy! Until I see you again with another recipe, thank you and stay safe. Bye!